Hello and welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this video, I'll share how we can use the XLOOKUP function to retrieve data from a big data set and then use this data for data visualization. So how we can do this, let's learn.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
First of all, I would like to introduce the data that I will use. So I'll use sales record from January to April 2025, in which I have the employees ID, names and their sale from January to April. And on the right, I have the same headings. And I want that whenever I type an employee ID in this H2 cell, the data is searched using the XLOOKUP function. So for this purpose, here in this I2 cell, I will write equal XLOOKUP, and in the syntax you can see that the first thing that I need to provide is the lookup value, and the lookup value is the employee ID. So I will select this H2 cell. After this I will put comma, then I need to pass the lookup array, and the lookup array is actually where the all IDs of the employees are present. So I will select all the employee IDs. After this I will put comma. Next I need to give the return array. Now on the basis of this, what information that I want to extract is this whole names and the sales. So I'll select this data and then close this bracket and hit enter. So in this way you can see that I can easily search the data using the XLOOKUP function. Whenever I will change the employee ID, the corresponding data is extracted from this big data. So now we have extracted the required information. Now suppose I have a meeting with the employees and I want to individually visualize their performance. For this purpose, I will select this data and I will go to the Insert tab. Here I will click on this recommended chart. I will select this column chart and click OK. I will remove the heading, reduce its size, place it under the search. I'll resize it to my need. To edit the x-axis labels, I will click on this select data. Here I will click on this edit, and in the axis label I will select these months and click OK, and again OK. So now instead of numbers I have the month's name on the x-axis. I can also click on this plus sign and then click on these data labels and trend line. This will help us better visualize the performance. So now whenever I change the employee ID to any number, I can not only search the data, but I can also get a very good picture of the employee's performance of the sale. So this combo of XLOOKUP function with the data visualization tool will make a perfect picture that we can use in the meetings. So this is all for today. I hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to KnowHow for more Microsoft Excel tutorials. And if you have any suggestion, please put them in the comments below. See you next time.